At the edge of the Atlantic, 8 islands bask in a summer that never fades. Though they sit side by side, they are worlds apart. From the charred volcanic plains of the east to the prehistoric rainforests of the west. These are the Canary Islands. Beyond the sun-drenched beaches favored by most tourists lies a rugged interior of volcanic peaks and sweeping vistas waiting for those willing to explore. And what better way to navigate these narrow, winding roads than on 2 wheels? Over the next 3 weeks, I'm partnering up with Canary Ride to head out and explore 6 of these islands from the seat of a motorcycle. So buckle up and get ready to be amazed.
Good morning, people, and welcome to the Canary Islands. I am right now in, I hope you can hear me, it's quite noisy. I'm right now in Gran Canaria, and I will be spending the next 3 weeks traveling in between 6 different islands here. I am right now on my way with all my stuff here to Canary Ride, which this trip is a collaboration with, to prepare and pick up, I think, one of the bikes. The plan for today is a little bit uncertain yet, because yesterday there was a storm that rolled in over the islands, and from my understanding it's been a while since it's rained here at all. There's blue skies here though, so we'll see how today unfolds. Now, if I can just figure out where I'm actually going. I think I need my hand to watch the map actually, so I'll see you at Canary Rides.
In a Las Palmas side street, just minutes from the main hotels and beaches, sits an old garment factory that has traded sewing machines for horsepower. For the past almost decade, this space has been filled with motorcycles. A lot of motorcycles. This is Canary Ride, the motorcycle rental company with the largest fleet of motorcycles in the Canary Islands. And this is my ride for the next week, the Yamaha Tenere 700 2025 model. And this is Andre, a previous race mechanic, now CEO and founder of Canary Ride, going through their extensive checklist to make sure the bike is in tip-top shape before being handed over. You'll hear more from him in just a second. Once that is done, it's time for me to add a couple of very important things to the bike before heading off.
Oh, hello!
Hello guys, welcome to Canary Rides.
Welcome, guys.
I'm here with,
Andre,
you are the,
founder and CEO of Canary Ride.
how long have you guys been doing this?
I started this business 2017, so it's gonna be 10 years next year. Yeah?
Holy shit.
No.
In 2 years?
2 years, yeah.
Yeah. And how many bikes do you have?
We have 2 bases. This is Gran Canaria base, and we have next one in Tenerife. And total, we are currently in 85 motorcycles. We are focusing mostly on more like high-end motorcycles. We have the biggest fleet of BMWs here. We also have some like medium range motorcycles like Honda C750, but our goal is to do medium long rentals.
Yeah.
I think we were the first one in Canary Islands allowing people to move between the islands. So we have clients exploring all the islands. Our goal is to provide people this whole experience of mixing the islands, they are very different each other.
Yeah.
And I think that's the best way you can get it from the Canary Islands. Yeah.
Yeah.
Majority of the fleet it's adventure bikes with system for free luggages that you can actually take everything with you and like you behind me, Tenere, and go explore. You know, like it would be very difficult with a monster, with Ducati Monster, but
Everything's possible, but more convenient.
My background is as a mechanic in racing, so trying to really have the bikes in top-notch condition.
We went through the checklist between every bike, and it's quite extensive.
Yes. And you should get a clean bike because you know it's not cheap. You know, so I think this is our difference.
That's what puts you.
Yeah, we try to be always one step ahead.
What do you think I can expect after 3 weeks here?
I think you can expect, like you said, I never thought Canary Islands are like this.
Yeah.
That's what I would say. You tell me, and then there is endless corners. That's another. And also they call it miniature continent. So you will have in few kilometers very different changes.
Changes a lot.
Yeah, exactly. It's crazy.
Well, we'll check in again in 3 weeks.
Yeah. It's gonna go like this.
Yes, I know. And I'll put everything you need to know about Canary Rides in the description if you want to check it out yourself. And, see you again soon.
Have fun.
Yay. All right. See you later. This way? Straight, okay. Alright, let's see if we can figure this shit out. My least favorite part is always to get out of the cities here. Back on a Tenere as well. It has officially begun. Hold on. Is this like does it stop blinking by itself? Or no? How does that work? No, stop blinking. I don't want to blink anymore. Okay, it's done. Okay. Jesus Christ.
As you know by now, the first island to be explored on this trip is Gran Canaria. With a size of 1,560 square kilometers, this island holds a truly impressive amount of diversity, both historical, cultural, and geographical. The history here goes back over 2,000 years to the indigenous Guache people, originating from Berber tribes of North Africa who lived here in isolation until the Spanish arrived in the 15th century. Back then, the Canarias was a major stop for ships heading to the Americas. Even Columbus dropped anchor here to prepare for his voyage.
We're like 10 minutes out and this is already what we're having. It's ridiculous. Come on, look at this.
Fast forward to today, and a strategic history has evolved into a world-class destination for tourism and agriculture. With average temperatures about 20 to 26 degrees Celsius all year around, it's not only a perfect location for all sorts of crops like bananas, tomatoes, and tropical fruits, but also to thaw out cold and impatient motorcycle riders from the north during the winter months.
I know. Not the most classic spot to stop for your first lunch in Canary Islands, but here we are. I really needed some food, and sometimes it's nice to just go with what you know. I'm sitting here and just trying to let it sink in, sort of, and find the peace and quiet a little bit. It's always like that. The first day on the road is a little bit chaotic, just getting back into the rhythm and yeah, just getting into it. So I'm gonna find some food and then I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna sleep tonight so that I can know-ish what route I can take to get there. We'll take it from there, I think.
All right, food is consumed. And I have also booked myself a place to stay tonight. I ended up at a room at a hostel up in the mountains. I think there is still quite foggy up in the mountains, so we're not going to go there quite yet. I think we're going to go along the coast, ride along the cliffs, see if we can find some good viewpoints, and then head out to the hostel. So we are here at the moment, and I want to go along the coast and the cliffs here to a viewpoint that's supposed to be here-ish. The hostel is somewhere up in the mountain here, so I think we can do one of the roads here to get up there. Let's see what good views you can find. Gloves, there. Holy shit. Why is there not a viewpoint here? Oh my god. Here, I can stand here, right? That's fine. I'm not gonna bother anyone here. Because we can't just pass that. Holy shit. Well, that sucks. This is like the best part of the cliffs. Aw. Oh well, maybe it's because of the rain last night that its rock has fallen down or something. I don't know. Oh well. Nothing to do about that. Guess we are turning around. And guess who has not become any better at U-turns? That's me. Tunnel it is. We are used to tunnels. Leaving the cliffs and the coast behind, I change course and start heading east, up in the mountains to an altitude of about 1,000 meters above the sea to find my hostel for the night. By now, I have noticed that there are quite a few roads in this direction that are closed because of the unusually heavy rain the night before, causing landslides, rocks, and debris in the roads. And even though the temperatures of summer remains here year-round, the same cannot be said about the light. Even though it's still early in the evening, the light is already starting to fade.
Right, so I'm entering a piece of road now on my way to where I have booked a place to stay this night. That is called the Valley of Tears. Look at this. But the thing is, number one, the weather up here is not great, and number two, it's starting to get dark already, and I still have like an hour and a half to go. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna, it's painful, but I'm just gonna ride through it today, and then I'll come back here tomorrow, because this is too fucking pretty to not properly catch on camera, you know? But this is a teaser. A little teaser of what's to come. Oh, Jesus Christ. That first day is always so messy. Oh my God. Oh, it's been a lot to take in today. From the beginning, just with the new place, a new bike, there's new gear, there's just getting on the road and kind of getting back into the filming rhythm and being thrown out into instantaneously just incredible views has made my mind just ding, it's not functioning at all. I think it's broke. But that hour I had riding with the sunset, oh my Lord, that road, we're going back tomorrow. There's no way, I'm not leaving this island until I can show you that road. It was so nice. I'm already looking forward to riding back there tomorrow in daylight and seeing and filming and taking pictures and showing you what that was like. That's basically the plan for now. I'm absolutely pooped. I think it's about 8:30 or something in the afternoon. It's evening, nighttime, almost bedtime. I'm gonna take a shower and then jump straight to bed and then hopefully get up at the right time tomorrow so we can take use of as much daylight as possible tomorrow. It's gonna be a good few weeks, you guys. See you tomorrow.